Today we delve deep into the top 8 amazing benefits of lemongrass tea, how to use it, and how you can brew it. Starting off with number 1. Boosting red blood cell levels. Backed by a 2015 study, published in the National Institute of Health, the idea that lemongrass tea can increase red blood cell count is an interesting one. This study involved 105 human subjects who consumed lemongrass tea infusions daily for 30 days. Blood tests were taken at the beginning, and then again at 10 and 30 days. The researchers observed an increase in hemoglobin concentration, packed cell volume, and red blood cell count in the subjects who drank lemongrass tea. While the precise mechanism by which lemongrass tea might achieve this is still unclear, the study's authors suggest the tea's antioxidant properties could be a huge contributing factor. Number 2. Relieve bloating. According to a small-scale study published in the Journal of Renal Nutrition, drinking lemongrass tea appears to increase urine output more than other beverages. This diuretic effect essentially means that lemongrass tea stimulates the kidneys to release more urine than usual. This can be particularly beneficial in cases where water retention is causing bloating, a common symptom experienced by many women during premenstrual syndrome, PMS. Number 3. Boosting oral health. The science behind chewing lemongrass stalks. In many countries where lemongrass is native, people traditionally chew on lemongrass stalks to promote good dental health and maintain a clean mouth feel. This practice seems to have some scientific backing. A study published in the Food Chemistry Journal investigated the effectiveness of various herbal extracts against bacterial growth. The researchers found that lemongrass herbal extracts were among the most potent inhibitors of bacterial growth in their lab samples. These bacteria included Streptococcus sanguinis, a type of bacteria known to contribute to cavities in the mouth. Number 4. Lowering cholesterol. Can lemongrass tea really help your heart? High cholesterol can significantly increase your risk of heart attack or stroke. While lemongrass tea isn't a replacement for conventional heart disease management, a study published in the Journal of Advanced Pharmaceutical Technology and Research suggests it might offer some promise. This study investigated the effects of lemongrass oil extract on cholesterol levels in animals, and the results showed a reduction in cholesterol levels that was dependent on the dose administered. Further research published in 2011 on mice confirmed the long-term safety of lemongrass essential oil at doses up to 100 milligrams daily. However, it's important to note that more research is needed to determine if lemongrass tea offers the same cholesterol-lowering effects as lemongrass oil. If you have any information pertaining to this, then be sure to let us know in the comments below. We would love to learn from you, our viewers, as well. Number 5. Digestive relief. Lemongrass tea as a traditional remedy. For centuries, people have turned to lemongrass tea as a go-to remedy for upset stomach cramps, and other digestive issues. A 2012 study published by the National Institutes of Health on rodents suggests that lemongrass might even be effective against gastric ulcers. The study found that the essential oil of lemongrass leaves may help protect the stomach lining from damage caused by aspirin and ethanol. Regular aspirin use is a known risk factor for gastric ulcers, so this finding is particularly interesting. Number 6. It may help reduce high systolic blood pressure. Can lemongrass tea help manage blood pressure? An observational study conducted in 2011 explored the potential effects of lemongrass tea on blood pressure. In this study, 72 male volunteers were given either lemongrass tea or green tea to drink. The results showed that those who drank lemongrass tea experienced a moderate drop in systolic blood pressure, the top number in a blood pressure reading, and a mild increase in diastolic blood pressure, the bottom number. Additionally, the volunteers who drank lemongrass tea had a significantly lower heart rate compared to the green tea group. While these findings are promising for people with high systolic blood pressure, the researchers caution that men with existing heart problems should use lemongrass tea in moderation to avoid any dangerous drops in heart rate or spikes in diastolic pressure. Moving on to number 7. Cancer connection. Can lemongrass tea really help fight cancer? The potential role of lemongrass in cancer is a complex and evolving area of research. One of the key components in lemongrass, called citral, is thought to have potent anti-cancer abilities against some cancer cell lines. Several other components within lemongrass are also believed to contribute to its potential anti-cancer effects. These effects can occur in two ways, either by directly causing cancer cell death or by boosting the immune system, allowing the body to more effectively fight off cancer cells on its own. It's important to remember that the research on lemongrass and cancer is still in its early stages. While lemongrass tea is sometimes used as an auxiliary therapy alongside conventional cancer treatments like chemotherapy and radiation, it should only be used under strict guidance of a qualified oncologist. Number 8. Weight management. Can lemongrass tea really help you lose weight? Lemongrass tea is often marketed as a detox tea that can kickstart your metabolism and help you shed pounds. While there's some truth to the idea that lemongrass tea might play a supporting role in weight management, it's important to set realistic expectations. Most of the research on lemongrass and weight loss is anecdotal, meaning it's based on personal experiences and observations rather than scientific studies. However, since lemongrass is a natural diuretic, if you drink enough of it, you're likely to experience some water weight loss. This doesn't necessarily translate to long-term weight loss, but it can lead to a temporary reduction on the scale. The bigger picture here is that replacing sugary drinks like soda and juice with herbal teas like lemongrass can be a healthy swap that contributes to your overall weight loss goals. However, relying solely on lemongrass tea for weight loss is unlikely to yield sustainable results. Remember, a healthy approach to weight management involves a combination of a balanced diet, regular exercise, and healthy lifestyle habits. To ensure your safety and determine the appropriate amount for you, it's always best to consult with your doctor or a qualified natural health practitioner before incorporating lemongrass tea into your routine. They can advise you based on your individual needs and health history. To limit your risk of side effects, begin with 1 cup of lemongrass tea daily and gradually increase the amount if you tolerate it well. Second, monitor your body. Pay attention to how your body reacts to the tea. If you experience any side effects, like stomach upset or heartburn, discontinue use or reduce the amount you consume. How to brew a delicious cup of lemongrass tea. First step. Use 1 to 2 stalks cut into 1 to 2 inch pieces or 1 to 3 teaspoons of dried lemongrass. Second, boil a cup of water. Third, pour the boiling water over the lemongrass stalks to steep, or over 1 to 3 teaspoons of dried lemongrass. Fourth, leave the stalks in the water for at least 5 minutes. Fifth, strain the liquid from the stalks and pour into a teacup. Finally, enjoy hot or add ice cubes for iced lemongrass tea. Word of caution: lemongrass increases and stimulates menstrual flow, so avoid using it during pregnancy. Excess dosage can cause stomach irritation and burning sensation. Consult your doctor first before using lemongrass, especially if you are taking any allopathic medicine. That's it for today. Stay healthy, stay blessed,